What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crity React. On today's comedy video, I want you guys to go grab your popcorn, sit back and relax and watch this hilarious comedy. It's actually hilarious. Watch it to the end for another goodies. My previous video, somebody won the 1,000 naira airtime, but I think on this one, I'm going to be giving 2,000 naira airtime on different network. Just one person. First person that comments what I want will be winning this 2,000 naira airtime. But if you watch the video, you get the process, you get instruction how to do it, but you don't just comment. Don't just comment. If you watch the video to the end, you understand what we mean. All right, guys, let's dive into this funny comedy.
Hi,
You see the money I transfer?
Yeah, I don't see.
Match.
Over say I waste time.
No. Why the shift now?
I dey with you now. Shift go here.
Where are you going?
Okay, it's my phone. Yeah, what's happen, guy?
I dey with you now. Yeah, we dey here now. No be here with you.
Guy, how far now?
I dey with you now. I dey with you.
I should make my money steadily.
Yes, Baba.
So my son, you wanted me to die your chabo for HK. They collect 90%, give you 10% anytime where you pick.
Baba, no be smart, you know. Any money where I pick, my chemo go collect 90. Give me 10. Me will hustle for the money.
No issue. I go one am for you now.
Yes.
I swear.
Just give me picture, make I go one am. In the house now.
In the house now. You get where they go before. See in picture.
Now be this.
Now be this now.
Okay, you know what? I go need this phone so that if I go there, man looking face where man one am.
You want carry my phone go? No issue now, Baba. I beg this phone now 1.2 million I buy am. I beg. Just carry and come back. I beg.
The girls are careful now.
I know. This Baba, he be like say it's abi this work well.
It's like he's very strong, bro. I think this Babalawo is very strong. And I think something good, positive will come out. I swear. Let's see how it goes.
My son, how dare you challenge the great? Hey, everybody get down, lie down. Lie down. Jesus. Blood of deep nice. Where's your arrow? Open your eye.
What a bad thing.
Give me everything. Collect my son, collect.
What's your head though?
Give me the phone, give me the phone. Close the arrow, no raise them up. Hey! Blood of Jesus. Jesus Christ. That boy nothing for.
My phone.
Blood of Jesus.
He's gone.
Baba, you fast too.
I fast.
What say you don't want him?
I don't want them.
Oh yeah, Baba, where my phone? I beg.
Now my son, a long story.
Story.
You know, as I go there, make I want them. The rest of 90th enter. Collect everybody food.
We hope say they no collect my phone. Give me my phone.
Now my own the first collect too.
You say?
Now my own the first collect.
Baba, I be like say they ask for Nollywood.
Say to God, now your own the first collect. They just
Baba, what I did say I buy that for 1.2 million now.
as I beg, God go pay you.
Baba, no vex. This land where you dey, who get am?
Now me.
Now you.
Don't tell me it's what you are thinking. I'm thinking, no.
Come out. Come out.
Come on. I don't have time to shout. I will just take.
Why they come on my rest this?
If you call me your son again, if you call me your son again, you know no people where you born. Hola. Now you get this one. This one na Android. No issue now. I beg. Tomorrow, if you know say they come Shigan tomorrow, first thing in the morning, carry the papers of this land, come here.
Okay.
You dey hear me?
Okay.
If you no carry the paper of this land, come, Timberland boys go land for this land.
No,
Where they go? Ma, see your back.
this work gonna land me for trouble.
This land itself reach 1.2.
So no,
I too love this girl. She don't love me. Bro, calm down now. This girl love you. I do not know.
You know I love you so much. I'm sorry. Remember the last time we had the show? I was at the hospital for 1 week.
Hey!
Monday.
Tuesday now, no. Wednesday now. Every day now.
Bro, no worry. Okay. This your girl love you. I mean, no. Babe, don't worry. You can go. I will talk to him.
Please send me to talk to him. You know I love him.
If this girl love you, make her die. Who gonna cheat on you? Now lie. Jesus. You be bad friend. That girl made this issue. Now she and one man. Hey! No problem. Married man. Bro, calm
down now. Knock yourself off, woman.
Bro, you know say I love this girl now.
Woman, we don't love you.
Hey!
What is this? They don't love you. She is. Oh, she's even being engaged by another man. Oh.
Woman, our enemy.
You get the level.
Women are our enemy. You get that it Rukky and his girlfriend. Honestly, going to laugh out mad.
Yeah, you know, I did in front of the King's Burger.
Outside where?
Why don't they see you for outside here now? Which side you go?
Come upstairs, come upstairs. You meet me upstairs. I'm upstairs. I'm sitting upstairs.
Outside. Okay, I don't see you. Well, you're not come down and move and go now.
No, come. Come upstairs and meet me here.
Wait till they call you for upstairs. Now, stay see me, you wait for me for outside here now. You can't go enter inside.
Come first now. I'm eating burger. Come.
I say you go meet me for us now. Oh, no worry, I don't see you now. You meet me for us. Don't worry, don't meet me for us. You go eat finish, eh?
Can't talk with that one. Come upstairs now. Come upstairs.
Talk like that. Now, I think you wait me for outside here. Now, I think you enter inside. Sure? Wait me for outside, man. I they call carry me just now. You don't want to enter inside.
Come now. Let's eat burger together. This burger don't cut skull. You go pay for this burger now.
You are eating and you know that. When you are eating, you know that somebody will pay.
You're considered to be a learned person that you do things the right way. You want to send money to a person, you see a villain. Now, who can do the motor for you? If you ask questions, it's your business. It's your business.
Excuse me.
Huh?
That's none of
my
my
business. Madam, respect yourself, oh. I know be that kind of person where you see, oh. I'm a dangerous person.
Who cares?
Wait, madam, enjoy it.
I'm a dangerous man.
I said the number where you transfer, I'm going to my S1.
What do you want me to do?
You transfer to my account.
I don't understand. I should transfer a whooping 300,000 naira to you because you fixed
Don't make me get to the first account now. Don't make me get to the first account now. Madam, respect yourself, oh. I know they like that. I don't say explain for you. You want transfer money for a person, you see a villain. You know, go and say who be a villain. Now, who can repair the motor for you?
Don't get on my nerves. Let me get the hell out of this place right now.
I go spoil the motor.
Let's say you want to sleep here. You want to see so, eh? Let's say you want to sleep here.
Okay, fine. 100,000 naira.
Now 150.
Why are you this mean?
I work while I learn. I suffer learn the work.
That's fine. I'll just make a transfer of 150,000 naira because I'm done with this embarrassment.
Not send out to the same account, oh.
Here, put in the number.
Now the same account, just come out the zero for the ending. Put out to.
Then put it yourself.
Abi, to avoid nonsense mistake. This S is fond of trouble, so troublesome. And this girl now will pay 300k.
I don't see her. Really?
Who they follow this one? Shine it.
Really?
Mugu. I beg, get out of this place.
I work while I learn.
Oga shift. Mugu. I work where you learn. I mean, you want to use build mansion.
Really?
Oga, get out. Shift.
Let's get a fast one on how.
Rubbish. 300,000 naira.
300k. Let's play a fast one on how.
Bros, I beg, have you seen 1,000 naira for your hand? Oga, hold your peace.
Hold your peace, my dear.
So what's the pressure? 180, 190. We are losing him. We need to take the bullet out of him now.
Many people are dying. Everything are doing.
Alexa, play me Joro by Whiskey.
Wait. Why?
It comes to my nerves before I start operation. And besides, Whiskey is the goat.
Don't say that kind of nonsense here. Davido is the goat. The real goat.
Whiskey is the goat.
Alexa, play Dami Duro by Davido.
Alexa, Joro by Whiskey.
Alexa, play Dami Duro by Davido.
Alexa, Joro by Whiskey.
Dami Duro.
Joro.
Dami Duro.
Shut up! What is wrong with both of you? Make up your mind already.
Now, my husband life and they use the play on this one.
Hey!
Oh,
Why you slap me?
better slap.
Watch out.
Slap in your face.
Davido is the biggest African artist in the world. He get more hit songs than any other artist.
Whiskey, let me be the first African artist when back 7 Billboard nominations. Yeah.
Davido is the first African artist to be featured in a World Cup song. Check me. If you don't agree, I will shoot out.
Hey!
If you don't agree, say Whiskey na the goat. I will shoot out too.
Hello, are you close?
Hey, they come. I see they hold up. Traffic day.
The doctors are fighting.
One say the place better.
The other one said the whiskey is better. Which kind of useless statement be that? Davido don't baff. Davido don't baff.
I light from the car before I light you.
Later I light your motor because I thought say whiskey better pass Davido. You the Chris.
Before people will come here,
This evening you will die. This is the best. Whiskey is good. Shake them.
Like these people
I go
playing
with you.
motor,
Let me
watching
go.
motor, they are very annoying.
I enter the motor. I go choke injection for iron.
That's
Choke
so
on a seat.
annoying.
I enter
Somebody
motor. I
like you
go
back
enter
in the
motor.
back.
I go enter. I go enter the motor.
You are there, not you.
What have I done? What did I do to this man? This man just slapped me. What did I do to him? He just slapped me. Why am I dressed like this? Where are my shoes? Why am I like this? Jesus.
Totobuga, what did just happen here? A miracle. Okay, what's happening? You just slap madman on where? How far?
this is what I slap for the past 2 weeks, they correct.
Let's see if it will work.
What am I doing here? What's happening to me? Here's my wife. Here's my wife. My wife.
You don't well. This is the walk.
Nepa.
Who be this now?
This one a Nepa.
Nepa?
They are calling brother.
This is the walk.
Anything slap correct.
Where would they go now?
Abuja.
Abuja.
You get people who need to slap me Nigeria correct.
Today.
I swear, there are many. There are many.
FDC direct.
Many
Drop
of
down.
them in Abuja, they know themselves. People putting us into this hardship, they know themselves. They need to be slapped to correct their back.
Mommy, you're not supposed to be drinking tea with a spoon inside.
Who said that? Who speak it again? Who is that again?
These food influencers like Opeyemi.
Tí bá gbá wà tọ́pẹ́ létí. Kati. On top my tea, I cannot drink tea and have peace in this house. You know the way fuel is 7,000 per liter.
This is when
I
your
cannot
child is
drink.
correct.
Mommy, it's not even tea, it's chocolate beverage.
They won't agree.
Our family that year, all the people in your family, on top with your daddy self, they are the illiterate. I don't know the difference between beverage and tea. It's me you will
Mommy,
teach.
I was just trying to correct. What if you go and do this thing outside? It's not
You know the
nice.
school I went to? Imalated Grammar School.
There's a
I will use this spoon. I will target your teeth. Foolish.
Mothers, they won't take advice. They will say, "This is my small daughter that is correcting me. Are you okay? I won't take."
So, congratulations, Mr. Famous. You just won yourself a contract worth 20 million. Congratulations. And that's not all. With a brand new house. All you need to do is just sign these papers and we are good to go.
What a miracle for this guy.
Please give me 1 minute. My phone is ringing.
Babe,
Yeah, hello, babe.
where are you?
Yeah, I'm in Yaoundé.
Trying to sign a deal.
I want to see you now.
Do you know how far it is for you want me to leave from Yaoundé to Kumba?
It's very urgent. I want to see you now.
So you have been scammed again. Yeah! Haven't I told you if you want to send money from United States to Cameroon to Nigeria, if at any part of the world, make sure you use T and Sons Money Exchange. They're very, very fast and reliable. You can send us from $1 to $50,000. You can't spend the word trust without T and Sons Money Exchange. They are not on any platform. You can send them a message on WhatsApp or you email them. They do all type of cryptocurrency here. You can choose your Bitcoin with them. They are certified.
That's not what I'm talking about.
So what's the problem?
Okay, fine. You don't want to come. Remember, if anything happens to me, my blood will be on your head.
Hello? Hello? Oh, please. I need to go to Kuma now. You big TT for now. I need to ask my girlfriend. Very, very important. Young man, are you serious? A 20 million contract and a house. And so what? What? Jesus. This is my wife to pay. 20 million? Please, we talk about my family again. This is my family. This is vanity. So what should we do with it? Give it to the short man. You are calling me a short man. Why did they worry you? We'll go kill you.
But from today, they wash your back. Anywhere they go, they wash your back.
For even picking the guest call at that point in time when you're about to sign is F1. What nonsense is that? It's actually obvious that this guy's village people is following him. They are following him big time. Omo, you left a contract worth of 20 million just to go and see your girlfriend that will soon leave you if you are broke. Omo, this is
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, babe, I'm okay.
Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Did anything happen to you?
I'm okay.
Wait, you're fine?
Yes, I'm okay.
Oh, why did you call me all the way from Yaoundé down here?
Let's have it.
What?
So you've not noticed any anything new on me? Yes. Oh, so what people have been telling me is true. What I've been hearing is true. You don't love me. Haven't you seen my hair? Haven't you seen my new wig? You don't cook me. You can't even compliment your babe. You can't compliment me. You don't even miss me. Of course I do. Okay, fine. You can go back to where you're coming from. Go back.
Wait, I should go back to Yaoundé. Go. A 20 million contract and a house.
As soon as confidence, you're bonfire.
It's okay. I miss you.
This is a play.
You think it's fun? I shouldn't have taken it.
The money I promise you, I'll send it to you. I'll do transfer.
I'll miss you.
Make sure you eat.
I promise. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Everything is just jumping.
Check out.
I think they do this one. I black your papa.
Stop what?
As born.
Okay, say no go watch that car way outside though, so I fit carry madam come out.
You don't want?
I don't need that. Don't try that with me. Oh yes. You know.
What did you do for my room?
I want you.
Me?
Yes. Take off your bossa.
No.
Huh?
If you don't take it up, I'm going to tell my dad you'll be stealing his money and they'll sack you, leave this house.
Tell him now. Tell him.
I should tell him, Abby. I should tell him, Abby.
Hey!
Oh, some girls are something else.
Now, put your 2 knees on the ground. So you have been stealing my dollars.
God, I'm not a thief.
So my daughter is lying.
That is lying. Even Jack used to steal your money.
Jack! Now come here. How is my money missing? Sir? Now kneel down there. So you two, you have been stealing my dollars.
Sir, I didn't take your money.
So are you saying my daughter is lying?
No, sir, but I didn't take your money.
So how's my money missing?
Daddy, you should sack them.
From today, you people will no longer stay in this house. You go and pack your things.
I beg now.
Sir, where we want to start from? I beg.
You will go to the village.
I beg. We don't save any money.
You will go back to the village.
Sir, I beg. Listen to this.
Women.
Ada! Ada!
Daddy.
You never see anything. You never see anything. You just start.
Thank God they recorded.
Even a you let spirit enter your movie. Today you come and jump over car. This is not
Sorry, Aboki, about to steal your mouth.
What be this? This one na drip on drip.
Doing all this kind of thing. I think it's
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. You go come out, you know go come out.
is it my phone?
Okay.
To him?
Mama.
Even the top class.
He said what?
It's not going to be easy. I sweat. Oh my, over. Timberlake, nothing is so.
That's what they do now. Una made they follow land, they go Europe. Una they wear Timberland, they work out for the full community. Una this on adult land. Whereas na no girl land. You.
Think say they wise.
Oh yeah, go your house.
I know they hear what.
I said go your house. You leave this place. I said come on, leave this place. See your head like Hollandia.
Mommy, now you start again.
Shut up, you go inside house before I land you slap.
To the bad land.
It's a bad land.
God, I beg, make this fan work before they take right. Wait. What be this fan problem? Be like saying at the engine box.
2014, 2015 model, very brutal, Nigerian use.
You do anyhow, you see anyhow. You fight and run away. Leave to run another game.
Hello?
What's up, babe?
I'm fine. Okay. How are you?
I'm good.
Baby, I miss you.
I miss you too.
This is not how they are going to
argue. We've been dating, we haven't seen each other. When are we going to see?
Very soon, my love.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Who be that? That my babe who I get online.
Have you eaten?
I've not eaten.
Then go and make something to eat.
I don't know how to cook. Can you help me with tips?
Yes, that's very simple. I can help you with that. Are you in the kitchen?
Where they go?
Get a bowl. Add okra.
Okra.
Now add stockfish. Saint leaf. Add snail to it. Get tomato. 2 or 3 carrots. Ginger. Is everything in order?
Yes.
I told you this was going to be very easy. The last thing to do now is... Do you have blender?
I can do fast now. I'm hungry. You say man blend everything together.
God forbid.
Don't try to. You want to cook concussion in the highest order. You are just joking with yourself, honestly. When you are watching TV.
You dey wine.
Oh, good they kill you. Which can go be that?
You dey crazy.
So that is not go now.
Let me wait. Let me go.
You know they see something for you. That ball just stand up.
But what's you my eye? That one I go now.
Jesus.
They play.
Jesus!
Huh? I think what is this?
More ask that guy.
Are you a servant of the devil?
Boss, I beg that go where I score now. Now go or no be go.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Bro, stop now. We don't get time for here now.
You know if you talk?
Draw me close.
Now who see body go.
Alright guys, this is an 50 Pro Max on 1xbet. When you're registering, don't forget to use my promo code Stevoz, all in capital letters, to get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Press the take part button.
It is just the best. It did the best by pretending to be a blind guy, because now who open eye the see go or more. I didn't inside anyone slap. I did not side anyone slap. So that is the best. He actually did it right, and I believe that is the best, honestly. Let's see
No, go. I want to go give my girlfriend. No. China go.
My God.
Now me they set blow for. Go. I go beat this boy.
Hey, China.
Oh yeah, nah. God have mercy upon us. If I give you this one, I'm mortuary. This one, I'm ambulance.
Okay.
Choose one. Which one you want? China go. Oh yeah, China confirm. Jesus. Where my colors? Where my backy? I go let you know say you get waiting past Jack and Shank. You get waiting past Boozlin. Give me 1 minute.
Girls in my crib, 0 Snapchat, 0 Instagram, bro. Saying fuck up the vibe, my
Fall out. Who go? Check out. I go dagger out. I go kill out.
Nothing balando. Okay. If I land down for your head,
God.
I'm about to release my power. Yeah. I have so many power. Les patrouilles play la manité.
Now, court is there, China.
Hey! Did I just say for this in China?
This man. I go where Bill and go Nigeria.
Please, maybe to Benin or Abuja. Maybe to one of these states.
I'm going face of France.
Who be this one? Oh, where?
No way, the person who wants to sit down for 40.
I don't even fucking know it's everybody calling inside. I don't fucking know.
Ornamental. God have mercy upon us.
Okay, stop. Okay, stop. I'm dropping here, please. Have a nice day.
Can someone please explain this one? I don't understand this comment.
Okay, I beg, stop me here.
What?
Me too. I'm done. Iwundu now.
Why are they coming down? I don't understand this. Like I've been
left you, bro.
No, okay, you wait. I'll come down for you.
Not be here you put for map. Where you want to go again?
Jesus.
Cash or transfer? I go meow.
Why they disturb me now? I don't think you say Davis Chase is the best place to trade that thing. Plus, excuse me. Okay, what's the problem? Can't you see I'm on a call? Come on, I want to say something. Okay, calm down now. Let me finish with this one first. Okay, so as I talk, Davis Change is the best place to trade your Bitcoin, gift card, and other cryptocurrencies. Where you trade with them, because that's the get peace of mind. You understand? Butterflies in your belly. Levinus. Trade and there, get back to me. They wait to you. Good. So what's the problem?
I want to go William Bassey Street. So, is there any place around?
Now why you stop me? William Bassey. Now when you take this place straight.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to locate Ikotabasi.
Ikotabasi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ikotabasi. When you take this road straight by the right, let me show you the place.
Jesus! You're far too high.
Yes.
What's this man doing, man? Why does he love running like this? What's this man do, man? Man is the problem of man. Take out. This one is the worst.
No be lie. Agree to. No be lie. Chairman.
Agree to
What
what?
they greet for here? Now clear you for clear.
Yes, that the main chairman. Agree to you, bros. Maximum respect. That books come. No be lie.
Hey, may you go clear this side.
No be lie.
Come back.
Just say this guy the
How
capable.
go declare? AOM.
Which one be AOM again?
Books over me.
No worry, I get work for you. I get work for you.
You sharp. I did. Not supervisor because supervisor. Outside. Clear that side.
You will go clear this side.
Mr. Clear.
Yes, now this side.
Other side.
Yes.
Me, I go down.
Just say this guy they capable.
He capable.
Yes, sir. Downtown. You understand? As a deal like this, now 300K. They just did not give promo.
This guy experienced
and as they hot like this now, say 150% bonus just today now, say they go like
we
this.
don't hear.
Promo code wisdom.
You just say this guy they capable.
Capable.
Don't forget.
Also give me
back.
Cash back. On top of this one.
Do the clearing.
Somebody wanna go flog.
Bush no there.
What is he doing there?
Clear anything you see for there. Do the clearing.
Grab.
Clear.
Okay. The menu.
Show this guy.
Move. I'm going to clear ground. They clear people.
What is going on there?
Clear.
Some people are kind of like, I don't understand. They will move.
Well done, sir.
How can I help you?
Sir, for 3 days now, I never chop. Sir, nothing is too small for your boy to use feed. God bless you.
But I don't get cash now.
Sir, I get account.
Beggar. You dey collect transfer?
Okay. Call your account number.
0110.
Okay.
50.
Okay.
63.
Which bank be this?
Sir, na Zenith Bank.
Who sent you?
Sir, I beg your pardon.
I go pardon your eyes with punch. You be thief. You don't see OP. You don't see Pape. You don't see money points. You be free bank. Now, this big man bank, you have a mission.
What type of
Criminal.
mentioning Zenith Bank in this situation, I think it's not going to be
I save the money
easy.
for you. I know they see the money. You know they here.
Not nice.
Listen for your life. Make it really save money for ground again. Come house, we can talk tomorrow. Okay. So, brother, if I call you, then it's all about First Atlantic Bank. Okay. In this generation, nobody they save money for ground.
Okay.
No, don't do that. The best place for you to save your money is the First Atlantic Bank. With First Atlantic Bank, then they treat them as customers with respect, care, and they be smart. Hey! To add with you, if you download them a banking app on either Play Store.
See the way the guy is looking at me, so
and many more.
Yes! Say congratulations.
Yes, they went for the Guitar Bank of the Year. Their goal is to be global out of Ghana.
Thank you, sir. Into my phobia.
No money, man.
Mona wait. You get waiting they pay me. Get I see like where they pay me. I beg. Waiting be the meaning of influencer. I beg. Mona tell me. I beg.
Influencer now people will be say if you pay them online, they go repost your video. They do advert. All these content creators still they come up. They do advert for them. So you get.
See, influencer those small girls the way they collect money for Instagram, they post the video.
So all of them agree say person wey dey do advert like influencer.
Yes.
So how come person wey dey help upcoming content creators like us, even musicians, help us dey post our video, still follow us on talk still come get mind give us 1 million. 1 million at the top, 1 million still get mind give us 1 million. Person come get mind they call am say na influencer. Shey make sense. Papa who be the best?
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey!
Let's have it.
Nobody actually want to get himself.
We go explain. Because
So now what's happened be that?
Everybody's actually hiding, no. Nobody wants to involve with David just administrative fight. I beg. What an ugly you try like that you are feeling. I will start there. Let's go, man. From him and Kongi. I don't How did you do that? Someone is using his hard time. Someone is using his energy to achieve something from the store, giving it to you instead of you to keep it. Ask someone to look at where you put everything. Look at where you put them. You are going to do my business. I will just add everything. After you pack everything on that page, I will just pack everything. When people come to your store and kind of, madam, give me this, madam, give me this, madam, give me that. I just find the best
God have mercy upon us.
That guy is coming here, if I'm not mistaken, and he's going to relate the whole secret like this.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Don't boss. And you guys, you know something you do this for. They didn't catch the person. Another person.
Tell us. You have to have capacity.
This world can be something else.
When I get small money, my brother, save them. Save your money, oh. The hunger wey dey this period, eh? If you like, you just make small 500,000. The person go dey hungry to go meet na yemoli. You see that Bay Rock parking space? I beat my chest. You go follow those people, they help people park motor. 2 days later, save your money, buy gari, buy beans, buy rice, keep for wardrobe. They cook and they chop. No go make small money, say, Yemoli, I see. Focus, buy gari, buy rice.
When I get more money, myself go Dante and CEO. Thank you guys for watching this comedy video, and I believe you enjoyed this one. The comedy is actually interesting, and I've searched for some more comedy. If you notice, this comedy is actually not that long. It's about 35 minutes long because I didn't see enough comedy. Honestly, I didn't see enough comedy, and I was actually trying to get more comedy, but I think the comedians actually did not upload much comedy today, I mean, or yesterday. I think I downloaded some yesterday and I also downloaded some today, and I had to post it today for you guys to see. But just bear with me and manage the little one you see, and I think and I hope, I mean, you find it very hilarious. So guys, give your comment in the comment box what you think about this comedy, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not. If you have been watching Crity React from day one and you've not subscribed, I think you're not doing us any good here. You're actually doing us a very bad thing here. So for you to be like on our side, for you to be among the Crity React BG, you know they have 30 BG. Whiskey FC. This one is Crity React FC. Let me say Crity React FC. If you want to be among the community, I would advise you subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get alert. And also don't forget to turn on post notification bell on your phone. Make sure you turn that icon, and also, you know, turn the bell notification on your phone setting for you to get alert from us. All right guys, I think I saw one comedy in this video compilation, and I was like trying to like understand it, but I couldn't. And I asked you guys to comment in the comment box, what is your perception, like what do you understand, or what did you understand in this comedy, this particular one? Yeah, these guys were seen, Humble Messi, Dino Shaw God, and other comedians were seen in this car. You know, I really do not understand it, so I would like you guys to explain it for me. I need someone that will understand it, someone that will explain it better. And if you can explain it better and I actually understand it, and I feel the way you explain it, it's the way it goes, it actually goes, I promise you to give you 2,000 naira recharge card. 2,000 naira recharge card on any network you provided. I will give you 2,000 naira recharge card. Yes, I will do that. Only one person I'm going to be giving. So if you watch this video to this extent and you comment, make me understand this particular comedy, I think you will be the winner. I mean, the first person that actually commented, the first person that actually commented, I'm not talking about I'll be picking it randomly. No, I'm not picking any winner randomly. The first person that commented and actually commented better, actually, you know, explain how this comedy goes better for me to understand, I think there is a reward for that person. 2,000 naira recharge card on any network, any call network. I will do that personally, you know. So guys, the whole comedy are actually interesting, and I really love this particular one. Very, very hilarious. Yeah, Wonderdtalk was saying, you know, dragging somebody down, a madman from a vehicle, you know, a grabbed youth man just appeared from nowhere and gave that person a dirty slap, and then all of a sudden the guy, you know, came back to his senses and began to appreciate God. And at the end of the day, he ran away, and these people started asking this huge guy that what happened, what did you do to this man that made him recover from madness, sickness? And the guy actually explained, anybody I slap, correct. as in things start to correct in the person's life, and they began to bring different people, different people. But the last person they were about to bring to him actually got me. Like, I love it. Abuja, actually going to take this guy to Abuja, and if they eventually take him to Abuja, I think there are a lot of people who will be slapping to rectify things, honestly, to fix things. There are lots of people, and I really don't want to mention names, but there are a lot of people who will be slapping, and you know those people, and you know number one person he will be slapping, like, you know. And I think if this guy actually slap these people, everything will be better in the country. Honestly, I didn't mention name, so you have no right to sue me because I have freedom of speech, I have freedom of expression. Yet there is a law rules in Nigeria. So that is for that. And I really want to say thank you guys, Crity React fans, those of you complaining that I'm talking, I talk too much. I want to tell you that there is no way I can stop talking because this is a reaction channel. If you want to watch this comedy without seeing me reacting to it, just search for the comedians individually, and I think you'll find their channel on YouTube and watch it. There will be no reaction, there will be no talking. There will be no me there, honestly. So I think if you want to watch my reaction and you love me watching my content, just stay and bear. But I promise you one thing, that we'll be making adjustment until you get better. You know, I think we have started making our adjustment, and there is no more there is no more disruption in there's no more disruption of comedy's audio anymore. And I think if you watch my content, you will notice it from my last two videos, I mean my previous two video I posted. You start noticing it, and there are a lot of change on my comedy. I want to say thank you for those of you that bear to this extent. And some people actually left, some people unsubscribed, but I think they are not meant for me. Those who are meant for me will actually stay no matter what. Those are my real G. So guys, we're going to see you guys on our next comedy video. Have a wonderful time. I'm rolling out, and peace out.